Alright, today I want to show you how to do Pico voice using Audacity. This idea comes from bbpanzu when he made his video how to Pico voice in flstudio. Now, there's a few reasons why I don't recommend flstudio. It's pretty pricey, goes upwards to $200. And if you're trying to do a quick project and you don't have any experience with audio editing, it's a little difficult. Now, what you do, go to Full Bucket Music, download. Alright, once you got that, use whatever program you use to move them. What you don't want FrexShifter 64, since 64 bits, like 64-bit plugins, do not work with Audacity. Take this, extract to this. Alright, go to Program Files, go to Audacity, Plugins. Okay. Yes, this already exists, but I'm going to replace it. Now, once you got that there, you go to your Audacity, go to Effect, Add Remove Plugins. You find FrexShifter. I usually say FrexShifter if you have it, but for me it says Frequency Shifter. This first time it'll say FrexShifter. If not, look for Frequency Shifter, whatever works. Click Enable. Alright, it's enabled. Now, what you want to do. Alright, now we're on Audacity. Record whatever you want to record. This is Pico. I'm Pico. Go Pico. Go Pico. Alright, once you did that, go to Frequency Shifter. Make sure these are the options. LFO wave is off. Rates right around here. Frequency range 500. Mix is wet. Volume's normal. Apply. Apply. And here's your abomination.
This is Peter.
Now, that's it. Completely free. No FL Studio. Have a good day. Have a good life. Have a good one.